Welcome, we're at the Broadband World Forum 2015 event and on the Broadband Forum's Interoperability Pavilion. We're showing lots of new technology and interoperability between fiber and other access technologies on the booth. So let's have a look around.
So Aris is showing an interoperability with the DPU, which is the larger box installed on the basement of the building, with CPE from another vendor, Calix. We are both using the same chipset from Scripio.
Telebyte is here at the Broadband World Forum this year, working with Digital Lightwave, Alcatel-Lucent, Sagicom, and NVIDIA, and we're demonstrating an end-to-end fiber to the node GFast demo where we're streaming a 4K video of New York City. We're basically have 4 homes, and we have an NVIDIA set-top box that we're streaming movies and gaming to the home using GFast. So we're getting data rates from about 380 megabits per second at 400 meters up to about 780 megabits per second at 20 meters. And we're simulating physical air impairments with our noise generator of a rainstorm. So we have lightning and thunder, and we're seeing how well the GFast system works with a noisy environment. And we're seeing a very good performance and very resilient to the noise testing.
Calix is involved in the Broadband Forum Interoperability booth, demonstrating its GFast MDU solutions with CPE equipment that is manufactured by different companies around the world. This benefits the Broadband Forum and the industry in general by providing CPE and MDU interoperability, which is key to accelerating the adoption of GFast as a technology as a whole.
We show here our GFast DPU. It's an 8-port DPU with a 50-meter copper cable connected, and we achieve a data rate in downstream direction of around about 600 megabit in downstream and 170 megabit in upstream. So both together aggregated is 800 megabit per second.
So this year we're showing and working with several vendors to demonstrate G.fast interoperability. This is the first step really to the any-to-any and vendor interoperability, where we are the approved certification test lab for the forthcoming Broadband Forum G.fast certification program. And so this is just kind of the first step along that road path to any-to-any interoperability in 2016.
I'm here representing SmartRG at the Broadband World Forum. SmartRG is a spinoff of Clear Access, who were pioneers in the TR69 ACS. Over the last 18 months, SmartRG has brought back the ACS, and we're here at the Broadband Forum showing the power of Prime Home by SmartRG. Our intent here is to see what the market's like and also introduce our ACS to show our CPE manageability. Not only do we sell our own CPE, but we also interop with various other flavors of CPE, and we're looking forward to seeing all the other vendors and companies here that we can work with here in Europe while we're at this show.
HomeGrid Forum is the industry alliance promoting the importance of the G.hn technology, gigabit home networking, standardized by AT&T. This is the industry alliance that shows the benefits of such a technology because it works on a unified chipset over power line, over coax, over phone line and plastic optical fiber, all in a unified chipset. As part of the show, we are showing the presence of different system vendors that interoperate in these house topologies, so that service providers do not have to worry about having systems not working in their deployments.
We are Piva Software, specialized in broadband industry softwares. We provide also AZC WMP solution. It's a TR069 client. It's published as open source, GPL version 2, since 2014. This open source is the first open source in the world, fully complete with the TR069 broadband standard. And it's interoperable with many ACS, commercial ACSs and open ACSs. And it's portable for Linux systems and POSIX compliant systems.
This week at the show, we're working with our partner Telebyte and providing an end-to-end G.fast product demonstration
and also working on the ID337 test cases. We're providing the packet generator and analyzer for all the required throughput testing and various frame size testing for ID337. And we're also partnering with the University of New Hampshire Labs on the ID337 certification program.
LAN is an approved test laboratory for GPON testing. And here we are demonstrating our interoperability test platform, so TR255, as well as the BBF247 certification test tool.
This is Huawei Technology's latest access equipment, which can provide 1 gigabit bandwidth based on one single twist pair. And which can support 16 ports in a small box, and which has already deployed in British Telecom and Swiss Telecom.
We at MT2 provide test equipment for the broadband world, especially DSL and GPON, and here we are showing the OLT emulator, which is the emulator used by the BBF247 for its official GPON certification.
This is the Axeros contribution for the Broadband Forum Pavilion, and this is demonstrating around Tier 69 with device management, and especially concentrated on the latest TR standards from Broadband Forum. So we have two showcases here. The first showcase is about our exact Tier 69 client with a complete Tier 143 Amendment 1 integration. And so what we demonstrate here is that we can take exact and integrate it in nearly every kind of device. So in our showcase we have an OpenWRT router with an integrated, a standard Linux setup, we have a Raspberry Pi, we have Android integration, and we demonstrate that you can run diagnostics between all these units and Orbit Central servers. And the second part we're showcasing is about the new upcoming Tier 181 Amendment 10, where we show the MQTT to Tier 69 integration as one step in the strategy towards the Internet of Things. So what we're showing here, that you can have a home network. We have a short demo which has sensors and actors in the home network, and all this data is sent over MQTT to our gateway, where with the help of the exact client, this data is transported with Tier 69 in the cloud and processed there.